Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change region in Udemy. So simply, as you can see, currently I have to log in here in my account, and after that simply, as you can see, currently this is my account settings. So simply just, as you can see, I click here and this is my profile settings. Like here you can see all the details. So simply just click on view public profile. So when you click here, so simply you can see how my public profile look like. So currently I don't have any details. So simply just, in order to change the region, so what you need to do, just you have to click on close account, and after that when you click on close account, simply you have to open the new account. So when you open the new account, you can change your region. So in this way you can change region in Udemy. There is no direct method to change region in Udemy.